Okay, so for the white for around his coat, I'm just going to roll out a quart of fondant, and I don't really want it to be even or anything. Take some water, and I'll go right around this area here, all the way around the back. Okay, and I'll go from the front, right about here, kind of press it up and down. Okay, just pull off the excess. Okay, and then I want to take, I'm going to try this tool, it's a clay tool, and just flick it. To make it fray. Okay, so like I said, it's a clay tool. If you don't have this, you could use a stiff paintbrush, or not a paintbrush. Well, actually, a stiff paintbrush would work too. Toothbrush that you haven't used, like real firm one. And you want to texture this so it looks different than the snow. Okay, so we got that. Then we'll do some down the front. So I like to do these before I do the arms. So this, I could start it here. Get that red off of there. Eek, still got the red in there. Come here, you. There we go. Little water down the front. Pop that on. Pull that off. Okay, there we go. All right, then what we can do is go to his arms. Okay, so I need, let's see, a ball that is close to, it's about 1.25 inches. Okay, so you roll it into a ball, and then you roll it into elongated teardrops. So my hands are angled a little bit, and I just keep rolling. Okay, something like this. And then I will take a little tiny bit of water here, place this right up next to the spaghetti, and push that on. Okay, and then bend this. This one can be maybe over here in this area. Maybe I'll have him waving with the other hand or something. Okay, so I can use the back of the paintbrush and poke in here, and that'll be a place for his little mittens. And then I just want to make a few little creases here. Okay. Keep it on there, like so. And you know what I probably should have done before I do the other arm? I'm going to put his belt on. Yeah, it's all about dressing him in the correct order. I guess if I'm doing this, I may as well do his shoes too. If I've got the black, if my hands are going to get black, may as well do it. Okay, start with the belt. Okay, so I need a strip, so I'll roll this out. And I'm going to cheat because I have an herb mincer, which would be the perfect size for a belt, I think. It's about 1/4 inch. And I don't need all of these, I just need one good one. Okay, decide where this is going to go. Probably right about here. And come around the back. Okay, so I'll tuck it in there. Come around all the way around the back, and then I'll just cut it off right under his arm here, and then tuck that